Yeah, people, you know, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingy. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So, me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people no just check in with Naya Bingy. Remember me telling you.
See guys, just a come from work. I think they can't be uniform yet. You know, sometimes some things you just want to keep to yourself. But me just want if I just me, if it's a liberty, you know, if I choose me as a female, I mean, as soon as a workman come around me, you're not lonely. You don't want somebody in your bed. When as them reach your yard, they want something to drink, they want something to eat. I say, look here, I don't have no food. Me's a cowboy, I not have no money. Let me carry you go shopping. Me know why you carry me go shopping.
Yes, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel. I hope so everybody out there do well, you see it. Yeah man, wants to give thanks to all our people who are tuning in, you see it. Yeah man, all our new subscribers wants to give thanks to the moment. Give thanks to the subscription, you see me? Yeah man, everything we want to say, massive respect for you. You see it? So people, as you hear in the intro, the young lady frustrated. You see it? And if she up on the ground and so frustrated with the tradesman them, you can just imagine people who live abroad where they try to get some things done. You see? So we are going to listen to the daughter and she are going to talk some things where she has experienced. You understand? And then we come back and just chime in and just, you understand? Give a little talk on it. Because I want serious problem this we are facing in Jamaica, you see it? It named tradesmen, general tradesmen, you see it? So a man will take advantage and want to deliver, you understand? When time adjust, then work, then if you deal with the thing in a wrong professional kind of manner, you see it? Some man don't know when to deal with business from when to deal with them kind of, you understand? Them kind of gallivant personal kind of thing, you see me? So make we hear why daughter say right here, sir.
You go shopping. Me know why you can't go shopping. And that's why rich people treat them like dog. You understand what I say? Just do the bomber clock work and go in the yard, man. So boy, you saw the man them fuck up the wall. Me know all of the people that me know where do construction live at Kingston. The man that put up the drywall, I said to him, say, you sure something else not supposed to go right? So the man that tell me, say, I said, supposed to do, man. When we go to work today and I tell the maintenance guy, them said to me, say, Browning, it'll go crack when it paint. Because if she don't put one mesh strip, one mesh tape on it and then put it. So boy, you see how the man do the wall. Me buy cement board. I don't know so cement board not cheap. Me don't have it. Me don't have it. Me is a housekeeper we clean toilet. And me just try. And every time I try to do something, it's just like it. When I'm a woman, is man. When I'm a woman, a man. Them eat you if them a fuck you, and them eat if them not fuck you. What kind of what me do? How me do in a life? Me give me pity them everything in a life. I know them not talk to me.
Yeah, a whole heap of frustration the lady I got through, you see it? Yeah man, and trust me, me can feel her pain differently still. Me can just imagine what she got through like. Cause it seemed like she's away from where she originally come from, and you understand the frustration of trying to get herself together and get the things what she need done in a one proper way. You understand? It's almost like people just out there try to take advantage on them kind of thing. They see it. And them things they kind of breed some kind of stress, and you understand? Help tear down people rather than for help people grow. You see it, because You understand? The one them who can help one to take advantage, and the one them we're supposed to do the thing them how they're supposed to do it. You understand? I don't know. And it's not a woman thing here, Mummy. It's a mindset thing, you see, because I just saw some people just operate differently.
Me come a man to be a start over my life and I try again. I try again. Just a try. Me can't even buy food. But because me say me want to have something, me say me just take a little time and do this. Oh God. Jesus Christ. The workman, them are the worst. Me said me was a millionaire, man, or a billionaire. Me tell you, me just go to one company and say, serve me some work, man. And serve me a contractor. And the contractor deal with them. Me not have it in a make a peer bomber card.
Yeah, them kind of things frustrate people. You see, because you see, one of the thing is the tradesmen, they're kind of limited. See? Because, and when I say tradesmen, I talk about certified tradesmen and reliable tradesmen. You see, they're kind of limited in the space. And because of that, the few where they run for take on the job them, it's almost like them are take on too much work at once, and then them are overcharge people. And then because them have so much things to do, them are shortchange people work. You see it? And left people in all kind of frustration. People have to pay double for things where already pay for and them kind of things there. And them things then are right, you see it?
I have to tell them. Appear savage people if a man to go be from a come down and me get a beaten. Oh God, me I tell you. Me say one man I tell me just use a hammer and lick it out. I just chew which part me live, me I go disturb neighbor. Cause I swear to God that's how me feel. Me feel like I just lick it out. Me just lick it out. And just call it a fucking loss. The man will have the hardware, the man have a door for me and one tin of paint. And I'll know the man that carry the paint and I'll know the man that carry the door. I have to go and discount hardware. The other day, go buy a next door. I mean, I call the man. I mean, now I get the man and the man have a hardware and I run a business. I mean, I call you for ask you, say, oh, you not carry the door. I don't want to buy a next door. I mean, end up have the same door. Jesus Christ, man. When I have womb envy or something, because they hate woman, so. God.
Chano. You see what I talk about? The lady is almost like she down to her last. In a, you understand, holding out. Cause I know exactly what the lady are dealing with, you know. You see? But at the same time, I don't know which part in a man thing will be differently still. Cause yeah, I go through some of them kind of frustration there. For do things and I do things from up here. So just imagine what she did go through and she actually on the ground. You see? But at the same time, I know everybody in a place corrupt and done certain kind of way. You have some good people because me meet a decent couple differently still one. Real decent couple. You understand? And the man is you understand? Contractor. One of them Mason they were, you understand, to call them big project there and them kind of thing there. So the lady, she kind of oversee my property certain way and her husband who is a contractor in a construction fields. You understand? Him me work with. You understand? I'm find them people if it be some decent people still, you see it. So I don't know if the lady are different still. If she I don't know which part of Montego Bay she there. But if she reach out to me on Instagram, you see it, at Gemrock Radio on Instagram, you see it. And just DM me and you can talk and I might give you a decent link, you see it. Because them people are a decent people, them man. You understand? Me then recommend them people, you see it. Serious, decent people, them people, you see me? But yeah, people.
Not even looking at video, you must know. I feel stupid. But never yet plan say me I go ball and make a video unless I fun me and make a myself. Me hurt if you cut me in a find no bumper clap blood. You hear me I tell you?
No, mommy, don't feel them kind of way, though, man. No feel stupid. You see? Because, you understand, I just people with them, you understand? Them kind of ill will kind of behavior. You understand? People who like to take advantage of people and not really want to deliver what them claim say, them will get paid for deliver. You see? And it's no fault of your own mummy, I just the corrupted mind of the people them right now. You see it? Because people just get vicious in a one way where them not care about people again.
Yet plan say me I go ball and make a video unless I fun me and make a myself. Me hurt if you cut me in a find no bumper clap blood. You hear me I tell you? I waste some money. Cut up the board, all the plying and when the man for go collect the hardware. When they come at the board, they cut the board and look strip up. Me I say then not them the board and then give a discount. Then the board they will look all. I wonder if him take my board them and my ply them and use them and do that. Because him come at the location early. So me I say, me see him with them, so he could have never change them, because me see him them. But me don't know what to say again. It's like me can't trust people. And me I tell you, say, me been through so much things in my life, and me I tell you, say, man, take a...
Yeah, it's a lot for packing, and I know exactly what the lady I deal with same way too. You see, cause yeah, me have some bad experience in terms of construction and some of the things them where people need to look out for are people who claim say them are electricians same way too. Cause I guess some kinda get a hard blood the other day. Cause if anybody who do construction or any kind of building, we realize the electrical part of the thing, yeah, it seems like one of the most expensive part, I think. See? I mean, I tell you, say, me get recommended to an electrician. But the electrician mentioned something to me one time when me talk to him. See? And him said to me, me ask him, say, how long him do electrical work? You see? And he must say he do it from him a teenager, so or some 40 odd years him say him in a electrical. See? And he might tell me all kind of different big work when him work on and all kind of thing. You see? Because remember say me there so when me there and me I deal with somebody a yard. You see? And he come like I said me did want the work for push through, for get certain things done and certain things clear up. You see it? Because me want change 1 meter from me kind of want separate one of the apartment them. So everybody have their own meter. So one of the place have to kind of run right over and them kind of things. So the whole shebang. Anyway, the man take on the job, and before him take on the job, he mentioned to me say some new regulation are coming. See? But me not feel worry myself because him have in link and the regulation now go come in until after the end of the year. See? So me say, all right, make sure say you push through the job so them things they no kind of reach me. See? So yeah, him say, all right. Because the regulation what I'm talk about is that the system now require for you give your house plan, and you understand the various fire escape and all of them like a new regulation will come in at the building system. See? And them want all of them want a plan for the whole circuit and all kind of different things. See? So him a tell me say the regulation it now go bother me differently still if we continue the work and we push through before the year done. See? But anyway, I say alright, go on. And we start the job and the man take on the job. Lo and behold, if you cut a long story short, the job done. But you find out so now them put in a meter and some people moving at the place now and me need to get them name register to the meter. When we submit the number what them give it, see, there's no record of that meter in the system. You see? So because the man is not a certified electrician, it caused me a jam. So him go behind the system and get somebody for whatever. So him can get a meter installed at the place. But the meter is a backdoor meter. And it's a lucky thing so I find out really quick still, you know. Because if it went did it over known time, me could have get in a problem with GPS. You understand? So some of them things there are some things where you know have to look out for, you see it, because they, as I said, the tradesmen them a work dirty differently still. And them not reliable certain kind of way. And if them watch out, you see some people can take on some job and then can do the job, you know. See? But you see, because them take on so much work, them they all over the place, so them come half day at your place and them do some little thing. And by the time them run off, them want to go over one next place, go do some more things. And you understand, everybody them collect a piece of money from everybody and just run round the place like a chicken without head. Because them can't finish everybody work because them take on too much upon themselves at the same time. You see? And because no youth now learn on trade, you find say the tradesmen them now limited. So them take advantage of people now because you almost they depend upon them certain kind of way. You see? And because you depend upon them, sometimes you pay them for do some things, you know. And it's almost like you have to bribe them again for them come finish up. So, for example, you will have a worker go on, see? And the plumber come at the place for lay some pipe on. The carpenter, him never set up one box it. So the plumber him lay the pipe them where him can. And him tell you say, alright, when time the carpenter set up the boxing, he will come back and just finish up the part there. See? And sometimes it look like I want simple 1, 2, you know, and you're gonna say, alright, make you just pay him off and done. So when him come back, him just finish up the little thing there. See? And when after the carpenter come and set up the boxing, him tell you say him come tomorrow, the tomorrow turn in a 1 week, the week turn in a 1 month, and then the month turn in a 3 month, and them kind of things that the boxing just dead there and no plumber and turn up to come finish up the little thing. You see it? Them sitting there, man, it hurt, man, and more time are the people them close to you. I do them kind of things there, and you understand, and I frustrate you, and I make you feel, you understand, like you have to give up on them kind of things there, you see? More time you see some people all do some things, man, and you give all a man a job for dig out a place for you. Let's say you build a place and you because most ghetto people differently still. Most ordinary people, working class people. Anytime we are going to build up one place, we are not the kind of people them with the big money for calling the big contractor them and them kind of thing though. We deal with the people them who close to it, who we know say capable of doing certain things. You see it? So we take advice whether if you get a man who is him have some kind of architect kind of knowledge, you get him to just draw up a thing for you, and you understand? The local steel man them and them kind of thing, that them already have the knowledge and the experience, so they can give you advice as to how deep or what kind of steel and all of them little things that what for use for build up your little place. So we go use the little people them round with for deal with them kind of thing there. See? And more time y'all go to a man and y'all show a man say, watch out. More and rise up a little thing, you know. But guess what I want? I want 2 bedroom, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, 1 veranda. You understand? 1 bathroom and them kind of things. So make me know how much for deal with the whole foundation right? From a digging a foundation to cast it out and them kind of thing. There you see it. So make me know what I go on. And the man them take on the job and them dig everything except the veranda. See? And when them a charge you now, remember say you come to agreement for pay for all of your outline to him. See? And them dig everything except the veranda. And you pay them and things say everything alright. And then later on now you hear say the veranda foundation then dig out, so you go have to go buy material for the foundation for layout and some things where you already when things say you went take care already. And you already when pay them money they already cause it when come in a one package. You understand? But now people start to tell you all kind of things now, so you end up if you pay for build the veranda again, for dig the foundation, for steal it out, and all of them things there. But you ain't already agree say them things there are when part of the first plan. See? And that'd be a kind of them frustration the people have to go through when time. You're there foreign and want to build a house a yard, are one of the hardest thing one can ever imagine. See? The frustration what people have to go through. The frustration what people have to deal with. See? And watch you now. You see, if we see the Chinese man them start to build the construction them around the place now, and them take away the construction industry from the local people them, And we see him one go the ball and a complain, you know. See? Cause the way how the furniture man them deal with the people them. They mash up their own industry. Cause watch you now, people get so frustrated. Them would then prefer to just go down at the Chinese man or down at the Lebanese man. Go buy some furniture. Just go in a shop, the Indian them shop, and go buy some furniture. See? Cause the man them have the last piece of the industry where poor people will have a kind of control over. And it come like I said, we just a waste be time and a general out we self out our position. See? When time I grow the man them when I grow the thing. You see it? I encourage some youth around them to come learn the trade so them can take on some of the work and do it in a one, you understand, credible kind of manner. So people can actually depend upon them and recommend them and them kind of things. See? The frustration enough still. But at the same time, all is not lost. Because as I say, you still have some decent people in Jamaica. You see? Yeah, man. And me, Bucka Bridget, why me call him Uncle Dave. See? Yeah, man. Uncle Dave to me is a perfect gentleman. You see? Because me I tell you, say, me I try to get some things done. For years. It come like a years me I try to get some things done. Me pay for some things done. Pay people for go back, go do them things, and you understand? It's still not done. I went and me meet Uncle Dave, man, and Uncle Dave look on the thing and tell me what it a go cost me for get it done. And me I tell you, say, in a known time, Uncle Dave get the thing done. You see it? So, more want to big up Uncle Dave. You see it? Uncle Dave and Auntie Erica, more want to bless them up. You see it? Them people there out of Lilliput. Yeah, man, more want to say blessings to them people. You see it? Because them people there, them really show up and them really, you understand? Did it for we as some real, genuine Jamaican people. You see me? So I know say all is not lost. You see me? I say you still have some genuine, real people here. But for the most part, differently still, man, the trades people, them really frustrating, man. It's really frustrating to deal with them, man. You understand? And we have to grip up what we are doing because we are going to sell out, we own an industry to foreigners, you see it? And if the youth them now come up can learn on trade, on a best believe say the government will start import workers. You understand? So if you careful of one of the brethren, Jamaican people want to grip up, you see it? Because the development are going, you know. Enough people because of the generalship ways, a whole heap of them opportunity are going to pass away, you see it? Yeah, man, we have to start up more professional and more business life, man. You understand? And be honest and straightforward with people. If you want to take on a job and you realize you're not up to the standard to do the job, you understand? Just be straightforward with people, man. You understand? But now, take people money and try, like I said, you don't want to go around people and card people and them kind of things. You see? And them things that we bring bad blessing to the item, you see me? So in the meantime, people want to give thanks to the moment, you see? Let's go and bless up the item themselves. Take care of the item family. Yeah, man, and go and click the subscription button and click the like button if you like the content same way you see. I want to say blessed love and heart of love to all our people them who take the time out to watch the video right way and you see me. And you can follow me on Instagram at Jamrock Radio on Instagram. You see. at Gemrock Radio on Instagram. More life, more blessing, more love.